Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I upload another video about my punishment, which is telling the story of my life before joining basic course for 15 minutes. Honestly guys, 15 minutes feels very long for me, and it's almost impossible for me to tell something continuously for that amount of time. So I made this video little by little until it reached 15 minutes, and also as practice to get used to speaking. Actually, I was accused by my friend, even though in class I didn't speak Japanese at all. I was just sitting quietly in my chair, and suddenly I was accused of speaking Japanese. Strangely, my tutor believed that accusation, but it's okay. I take it as a lesson for myself and also as practice to improve my speaking skills. So I choose to think positively about it. Okay, guys, back to the title, which is my life before joining basic course. After I graduate from vocational high school, I faced one of the biggest questions in my life. What should I do next? Like many young people, I want to find a job, gain experience, and support myself. Soon I received an opportunity to work on a 1 year contract at a meat factory. Working in the factory was not easy. Every day I had to wake up early, put on my uniform, and prepare myself for long hours of physical work. The environment was cold, the tasks were repetitive, and sometimes I felt exhausted. But at the same time, I learned discipline, responsibility, and the importance of teamwork. I meet colleagues from different backgrounds, and together we shared stories during breaks, laughed about small things, and support each other when the workload was heavy. That 1 year taught me valuable lessons. I realized that life after school is very different from life inside the classroom. In school, we study theory, but in the factory, I experienced the reality of hard work. I understood that if I want a better future, I needed more than just technical skills. I needed communication skills, especially English speak or English language. When my contract ended, I asked myself again, what is the next step? I didn't want to stop learning. I want to improve myself to open more doors of opportunity. That's when I decided to join the BSc course in Pare Kediri. My main goal was clear, which is to improve my English speaking and speaking public so that I could increase my chance of being accepted into better jobs. Joining BEC course was like starting a new chapter. Instead of working with machines, machines, I now worked with word. Instead of standing in a cool factory, I sat in a classroom, practicing conversation, listening carefully, and building confidence. At first, it was difficult. I made mistakes, I felt nervous, and sometimes I doubt myself, but I reminded myself that learning is a process, just like working in the factory had been. Slowly, I began to see progress. I could introduce myself more fluently. I could understand English videos better, and I could even share my thoughts in front of classmates. Every small improvement gave me motivation to continue. I know that with an English skills, my opportunities would grow. Companies value employees who can communicate internationally, and I want to be one of them. Looking back, I see my journey as a series of steps. Graduating from vocational high school, working in the meat factory for 1 year, and then joining BEC course in Paris to strengthen my English. Each, each step was important. The factory gave me discipline and real world experience. BEC course gave me confidence and skills for the future. Together, they shaped me into someone who is ready to face new challenges. Mm, okay, when I first joined the BEC course in Pare Kediri, I felt both excited and nervous. Excited because I knew this was the right step to improve my English skills. Nervous because I wasn't sure if I could keep up with the lessons, especially speaking in front of others, but I remind myself this was my chance to grow and I had to take it seriously. On the first day, I met new classmates who shared the same goal to become better at English. Some of them were already confident speakers, while others were just like me, still shy and hesitant. The tutor encouraged us to speak as much as possible, Even if we made mistakes, that was the first important lesson I learned. Mistakes are part of learning and they help us improve. Every class was a new challenges when we practiced conversations, role plays, and storytelling. At first, I struggled to find the right word, and sometimes I mixed grammar or pronunciation, but slowly, with practice, I began to feel more comfortable. I start to enjoy speaking, even if my sentences weren't perfect. The more I spoke, the more confident I become. One of the most memorable activities was when we had to tell stories about our personal experience. I shared about my time working at the meat factory, and then even though I was nervous, my classmates listened carefully. Afterward, the tutor gave me feedback, mm, pointing out both my strength and areas to improve. That moment made me realize the English is not just about grammar, it's about expressing yourself clearly and confidently. Outside the classroom, I also practiced. I watched I watched English videos, listened to songs, and tried to think in English during daily activities. Sometimes I even talked to myself in English just to get used to forming sentences quickly. It feels strange at first, but it really helped me. After several weeks, I noticed a big change. I could introduce myself plainly, ask questions without hesitation, and even join group discussion. My classmates also noticed my progress, and that gave me more motivation. I realized that learning English is like building a muscle. The more you train, the stronger you get. Joining BEC was not only about language, it was also about discipline and confidence. I learned to manage my time, prepare for assignments, and push myself beyond my comfort zone. I discovered that English is a key that can open many doors, better job opportunities, wider communication, and even personal growth. Now, when I look back, I feel proud of my decision to join BEC. It was not easy, but it was worth it. The journey taught me patience, persistence, and positivity. Positively, I believe that with these skills, my future will be brighter. and my chance of getting a good job will be much greater. Okay, that's all. My journey, every step shaped who am I, who I am today. Thank you for listening, and I hope my story inspires you to keep learning, growing, and never giving up on your dreams. The last I say, and see you next time.